BeMetals Corp is the latest exploration company to emerge from the same core founders that established both Bema Gold Corporation and B2 Gold Corp. Bema Gold was formed through the merger of three exploration companies back in 1988. At that time, the company had a market capitalization of $34 million and had no producing assets. Bema soon became a small gold producer, but the team truly achieved global success with a major discovery at their Cerro Casale project in Chile of 23 million ounces of gold and 6 billion pounds of copper. While one world-class discovery is already an extraordinary feat, Bema made another major discovery in the early 2000s, and this time it was a large high-grade epithermal gold and silver deposit in Far East Russia called Kupol. Just as Bema was in the midst of rapidly advancing Kupol through the construction phase, senior gold producer Kinross Gold acquired Bema for $3.5 billion in 2007. Rather than taking a break, key members of the team regrouped and created B2 Gold that same year. B2 Gold started with a strong treasury, and over the span of about 7 years, they acquired key projects in Nicaragua, Namibia, the Philippines, and lastly, the Fekola Gold project in Mali. Today, B2 Gold has become one of the lowest-cost senior gold producers in the world, and in 2022, it generated over $1.7 billion in consolidated revenue from producing approximately 1 million ounces of gold. In 2018, BeMetals became the third company created from this same group, and they are joined by non-executive chairman Mark Connolly and founding president, CEO and director John Wilton. Mark was managing director of Papillon Resources when he led Papillon into a $570 million merger with B2 Gold. Papillon owned the Fekola deposit which B2 Gold built and turned into their largest and most profitable producing mine. John is a professional geologist, and in the late 90s he was co-discoverer of the multi-million ounce Otjikoto gold deposit in Namibia, which was later acquired and constructed by B2 Gold, and is now producing them over 150,000 ounces of gold per year. Following the same blueprint as both Bema and B2 Gold, BeMetals is working towards becoming the next successful metals producer from this group. Thus far, the company has assembled an exciting mineral property portfolio, including 5 highly prospective gold exploration projects in Japan and the Pangeni copper exploration project in western Zambia, which has the potential for a Tier 1 discovery along the prolific Zambian copper belt. To learn more about our proven mining team, visit our website www.bemetalscorp.com and subscribe to our newsletter or follow us on these social media platforms.